Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites, VS Code updated, and an active Claude Code API key. Once you have the key, set it as an environment variable or use VS Code's secret storage so it isn't exposed. Next, install the Claude Code extension from the marketplace and enable the extension host. Make sure to disable other AI extensions temporarily to avoid conflicts. These first actions get you into the editor with a secure key and a clean extension environment, ready for configuration. Once done, open extension settings and configure model, temperature, and token limits to match your workflow. Lower temperature for deterministic code, higher for creative suggestions. Then use the command palette to invoke Claude actions like generate, refactor, or explain. Select code or a file and run the command. Make sure to map keyboard shortcuts for frequent tasks and enable inline suggestions for context-aware completions. This setup streamlines interactions so Claude becomes a natural part of your edit debug loop. You finish by validating the integration with small, focused tasks. Ask Claude to refactor a function, generate unit tests, or explain a tricky block. If responses are slow or incomplete, open the output panel to inspect extension logs and increase timeouts for large files. Make sure VS Code's proxy or firewall rules allow outbound calls. If things go wrong, rotate the API key and re-enter it, then retry. This final verification ensures reliable productivity and a clear remediation path if errors occur.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.